All right, so cooling pool facility.
Easy walk, not contested, and then from there we'll make sure that enough with us and go to the control room.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
After getting shot on the push around the main building with patches, a small unit of us decide to help Combat Controller Rick hunt down data centers for intel and points.
Hey Rick,
Is that green? That's Dan.
Okay, that way?
Mm-hmm. They got half the flag up.
They're gonna take that flag.
Go get a download done. Oh,
Run! Come on, come on, come on!
no, I'm good.
Woo! Whoa! Rick! Down here?
Go up here. I assume it's up there.
It's roped off.
Check that log.
Wait, let's not get split up. Let's not split up. You find it?
Hey.
That's it.
No, but that's gonna be for a prop.
Okay.
So remember that's M2.
Got it. You think downstairs?
Go up. No flag.
Oh. Nothing. I look in there, it's empty.
Okay.
3!
Hey. We got. Let's check these offices down here, okay?
Okay. Hey, Rick, you find it? Data centers, the CPUs.
What do they look like?
Black computer.
Big
Yeah.
black boxes back.
They look like computers.
Is it on this floor? Or big black box?
Hang on, we're searching right now.
Is it on this floor though, or up?
Yeah, it's on this. It's either down here or in these rooms. That's all water. Yep, the room's over there. Anything downstairs?
Loading bay stairwell.
That's down that way, or down over here.
Loading bay stairwell. Look down there. Yep, up that stairwell.
Whoa!
One! Thank you.
Okay.
Sorry guys, I'm not moving. Little jumpy.
Yeah, hey Rick, you seen Greg in there?
No, I have not. We're going to the loading bay stairwell. We got down here? Yes.
I'm following you now.
We're looking for data centers. It's a black computer.
Letter and number on the side, essential. Now, I didn't lift this much because that don't move. But there could be something under it.
No, there's nothing under that. Right here, Rick.
Okay, now kidding me.
Here, I'll get it.
We have to bring that. Someone's gonna have to
Here.
climb up there.
Here, just
to undo that twisty.
I got it.
Yeah, just under the
Lightest person.
Untie this.
She'll do the twisty in that hand.
Stand by.
You need something to cut or?
No, we're good.
Do you need me to do anything else?
Come down.
Okay,
Here, I'll
here.
let you oversee this operation. Can someone grab my laptop?
Keep the light on.
Here you go. Make that a little bit easier.
Jesus.
All right.
One task.
Are you hooked up to it?
Yep. I'm gonna go up there and actually stand by the top.
Okay.
What's the password?
It's my pocket. I think somewhere. I know it's a Mara something. Let's hold that. American. Okay. AMERICAN. Enter. It take 10 minutes.
Oh,
We gotta watch this thing for 10 minutes.
We might as well strategize what the hell we're doing next.
Roger.
We already got
Well, control room.
While waiting for the download to complete, we strategized to go up to the 3rd floor and go into the control room where we believe another data point is located.
1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3. So like for the first while we had like 1 and 2.
There we go. Complete.
Okay, I've got to lock this so they can't access this. Make sure you want to lock. Yes.
Matt, this is Dave. Matt, come in.
Okay, it's locked. Let me hold it for you. Turn the light on for you.
No, that's good. That should be enough light. Where the hell did the typing thingy go? There it is. All right. They're not gonna see that.
Can you put this in my back? Please?
Yep.
Rick candy.
All right.
Let's load this. There's the stairway if that's what you want.
Hey Rick, which way to the control room?
Take a look. Here in the doorway.
This one? Rick, this one?
Yeah. Please, no.
There's gonna be a point where I can't tell you any further. No, I just saw my phone. You pull.
Oh, yeah.
I thought it was just a shell. The way it's spun? Yeah.
It's tan.
6.
Stand.
Thank you.
Hey, what about the stairwell behind you guys? Oh, UFS. Come on, Rick. What? Yeah, let's go. Where are they? Okay. UFS coming up. Is that control room? They're what?
They're pushing on that room right there. Check.
Block that door,
In the control room right here.
Hey, I got a data point right here. Come here.
Let's go. Rick.
Green is in the control room.
Come on. Where is it?
Bottom, underneath.
Right there. All right, sick. Lock this down.
Need 2 people.
Come on. Here's the cord.
It's my backpack.
Okay, here's the fucking cord. Hey, secure the door farthest from us. There's a door farthest from us.
I'm closing this.
Rick. Here's the cord. All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna secure this area. Oh, you should get that. Are we on that door? Okay. Okay. Lock this down. Lock this area down. Excuse me, Rick, or Roger.
Go ahead. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Did we leave the stairwell unguarded?
Yes.
Oh shit.
Yeah, all the guys came in with us.
Oh f. Whatever.
Head up to that door with me.
Let's go. Let's secure the door. Open it. Well, you didn't call it the first time.
Are you okay? Lines are okay. All right.
No, dude.
That enemy player is pretty frustrated that he did not hit either Matt or myself. Let's take a look at the situation he's dealing with. The third enemy player that steps out of the door is immediately hit. That's a huge indicator that going out that door is a bad idea. The angle Matt and I have on the door is completely in our advantage, especially mine. As you can see here, I have a clear shot on the enemy player through this notch in the doorway before he can even see where I'm shooting from.
Hit!
Completely unexpected by Matt and myself, we are shot by enemy below us, trying to fight their way up. That's going to wrap up part 6 of my American Milsim Faded Giant 3 series. Stay tuned for part 7, where we try to take over the control room. As always, this is Jet Desert Fox, and I'll see you on the field.
Go ahead, Roger.
I'm good.
Okay.
This is the second time you got me. Back over. You're shooting at.
Go, keep pushing.
Go, go!
Go, 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 go!